Cloudy in our backyard for much of the afternoon, Jeremy, but no rain just yet.
Yeah, not here. I don't think we're going to see a single drop here in our backyard. And that was the case that we expected. Just some pop-up thunderstorms in some parts of the Susquehanna Valley and into the southern tier. And they're starting to exit that southern tier right now. So once they're done, we're finished up with the rainfall for the rest of the night. I wish I could say the same for the weekend. Unfortunately, we got several rounds of showers and storms headed our way for both Saturday, Sunday. And then as we head into the week ahead, it looks unsettled too. Now, we did just have a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of the southern tier. That has been allowed to expire now that those storms have fallen beneath severe thresholds. But there's still a risk for maybe a few pieces of small hail coming out of those storms that are in Carbon and Monroe counties. If you live in Jim Thorpe, please send us some photos of the storm as it rolled through if you have any. And here's a closer picture. Right now, Eldridge dealing with quite a downpour. It's headed just to the southern part of Monroe County there. It's going to skirt Broadheadsville, maybe not even see much of this storm. It's very small, doesn't have a big footprint, and it's going to head its way into New Jersey after that. Looking back towards Schuylkill County, this line of showers also starting to fizzle out, losing a lot of its intensity. So anything that falls in Pottsville will not be severe, probably not even lightning and thunder, just a few raindrops it seems. Right now, Tower City, you'll see it in a few minutes. Schuylkill Haven by around 7:30. Pine Grove by 7:30 as well. And if you live near Auchie's school, that'll happen around 7:34. There's your bigger picture. We have this swirling low pressure system in the Gulf region and another one up near Montana. Now, both of these will combine as they move eastward. But the issue with that is that they create this big conglomerate system that spins and swirls over our entire area for several days straight as we head into this upcoming weekend. So tomorrow is the first of the days with unsettled weather. It's not going to be too much. I'd say a 30 to 40% chance of rain, and it's not going to be an all-day rain. It'll be cloudy for most of the day and maybe a few showers in between. Saturday looks dry in the afternoon. So even though we have this system on the way, it's not going to be a persistent rainfall that continues throughout the entire day. You can still eke out some dry periods. There's your view of Pottsville. Right now there are some light raindrops falling there. Here's what it looks like live over Lake Wallenpaupack. Cloudy skies too. 78 is the current temperature. We have winds coming out of the north-northwest at 6 miles per hour. That humidity is pretty low, so any of that rain that's falling down in Schuylkill County encountering some dry air. Also encountering some warmer air too. Yesterday we struggled to reach 80 out in the Susquehanna Valley, and we touched near 90 in Selinsgrove. 87 was the high. 86 for Williamsport. 83 was the high in Avoca, and we were just near 80 in Mount Pocono. Notice a little bit cooler air over Lehighton and Hazleton, where some of that rainfall just came down, whereas we're still warm in Lewisburg and Williamsport, which didn't see any of those showers or storms. So a little bit of rain, cooled air pushing into parts of the Poconos. 80 still in Saylorsburg. I'm sure by the next 20, 30 minutes, once those rain showers move on through, you're not going to have 80s much longer. 78 is the current temperature here in Scranton. As we go throughout the rest of the night, those showers will turn off. I'd say by 9:30, there's no more of a risk for showers in the southern tier. Here in our backyard, Valley Cities, no rainfall whatsoever tonight. It'll be a calm night. Warm, too. So if you want to go out for a walk with your dog, no problems there. Headed into the overnight, more cloud cover. Tomorrow morning, dry but cloudy. And then into the afternoon, there's your risk for a 30 or 40% chance of a shower. Not all night's going to be rainy. There will be dry periods in between, but for your Friday night plans, you will need the umbrella. Then Saturday morning, widespread rain showers expected. There's the picture at 7:30. And then into the afternoon, it looks like things start to dry up. So we might have a large part of your Saturday afternoon and evening dry. And Father's Day is looking a little dicey with showers and storms on and off throughout the entirety of the day. As far as rainfall totals, about a ½ inch to maybe over an inch of rain. Looks like the heaviest amounts of rain could be down in our southern tier. And get this, we no longer have a drought in any part of northeastern and central Pennsylvania, so we really don't need any more rainfall. But we will get it this upcoming weekend. Better of the 2 weekend days for outdoor activities will be Saturday. 7-day forecast shows temperatures in the 70s and 80s. No real below average temperatures except for Monday. Normally we top out around 79, 80 degrees. We'll be 73 on Monday. Looks like every single one of the next 7 has a rain chance, but it's not a rain day all day, and that's at least good, Scott.
That is good news.
Yes.
We'll see you tonight, Jeremy.
Yep.
Thank you.